Fixing transaction errors on Trust Wallet is straightforward with these step-by-step instructions. Follow along to resolve any failed transactions. Introduction. I'll walk you through fixing transaction errors on Trust Wallet, ensuring smooth operation of your transactions. Update Trust Wallet. Go to the Play Store on your device. Search for Trust Wallet. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version. If not, update it first. Open Trust Wallet. Once updated, open the Trust Wallet app. Check for fixes. If the issue persists, tap on Settings from the bottom right corner. Navigate to Wallets. Rename Wallet. Tap on the three dots. Change the name of your wallet. Reinstall Wallet. Go back and tap on the plus icon. Select I don't have a wallet. Clear cache and data. Access your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Search for Trust Wallet. Go to Storage Usage. Clear cache and data to eliminate extra data and bugs causing the transaction issue. Completion. This process should resolve any transaction problems you're encountering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share for more helpful content. By following these steps, you can effectively fix transaction errors on Trust Wallet and ensure